Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with E-Trade for transferring cash and documentation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize a transfer with E-Trade, begin by logging into your E-Trade account. Navigate to the Transfers section in the main menu. Select the option for cash transfers to initiate the process. You will see options for transferring funds between linked accounts or external accounts. Choose the option that best suits your needs. If transferring to an external bank account, select that option. Next, enter the details of the external bank account you wish to connect. Provide the account number and routing number accurately. Review the information you have entered for correctness. Confirm the connection by clicking on the Continue button. E-Trade may require additional authentication at this stage. Follow any prompts to verify your identity, such as entering a code sent to your registered phone number. Once verified, you will see a summary of the external account added. If transferring cash, indicate the amount you wish to transfer. Select the frequency of the transfer, whether one-time or recurring. Proceed to the next step by clicking the Continue button. Review the transfer details on the confirmation page. Make sure all information is accurate before authorizing the transfer. If everything looks correct, click on the Authorize Transfer button. You may need to provide your authentication method again for security. Once you authorize the transfer, a confirmation will appear. Take note of any reference number provided for tracking purposes. You will receive an email confirmation once the transfer is processed. Keep an eye on both accounts to verify the transaction's completion. If you need to transfer documentation, go back to the main menu. Locate the Documents section for uploads. Choose the type of document you need to submit. Follow prompts to select and upload your document. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.